I have a phone, I have a TV, but I have a no internet Wi-Fi on TV. Boom! No worry. This video will exactly show you how to connect your smart TV to phone Wi-Fi hotspot and use the mobile data to watch any shows on TV. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Make sure your mobile data plan is available or renewed. This step is just notify you that a data plan is needed for the task. So just make sure you've bought your data packs or get it renewed. Once you've got it ready, let's move to the step number 2. Step number 2. Open Smart TV and go to Network Settings. As for now, of course, your TV will show that there is no network connected since we don't have any home Wi-Fi network. Click on the gear icon to go to Settings. Next, navigate to Wi-Fi icon to see the available list of Wi-Fi. Keep it at this screen and go to step number 3. Step number 3. Turn on phone Wi-Fi hotspot. Go to phone settings and find the portable hotspot or hotspot settings according to your phone model. Here, I'm using the Poco X7 Pro. Now, tap to turn on portable hotspot. Next, get the hotspot Wi-Fi password. We need this for entering the TV network pairing a few moments later. How to get it? Just tap on Setup Portable Hotspot and you can see the SSID name. For my one is Poco X7 Pro and password. Now tap on the eye icon to show password. Keep the phone at this screen and go to step number 4. Step number 4. Pair off the TV to phone Wi-Fi hotspot. Now look up to the TV and you can see your Wi-Fi hotspot is listed. Click to select Poco X7 Pro and a password inquiry dialog pops up. Here, enter the hotspot password that you've got in step number 3. For smart TV navigation, remote is one of the traditional way to enter these characters. So it might take a bit of time. If your smart TV remote is lost or damaged, make sure to check another tutorial on how to use phone as smart TV remote as well. Tap on connect to pair up the TV to hotspot. Alright, let's sum up in the step number 5. Step number 5. Test opening a YouTube video. Be at the home screen of smart TV. Next, navigate to YouTube app on the TV. Most probably it will be at the home screen or else you can go to apps and games section to find it. Tap to open YouTube and open a video. Wahoo! It's working, guys. Alright, glad that you could make it here to the end of this video with me. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more tech to be applied tutorials. In my next tutorial, I'll be diving deeper into 5 ways to connect smart TV to Android hotspot together with troubleshooting connection problems. See you in the next video.